some of the recent upgrades I've done to my Lectric XP bike. One of the first upgrades I did was the Cloud9 seat. I did get a post, a shock absorber post, but I decided to go back to the stock post. Didn't really need that extra feature on here, but the seat was definitely handy. Get a little bit more width to it, more comfort to it, better for the longer rides. So Cloud9, and I'll give you a link. The next thing I got was the B-Sole bag kit here. That's typically for a cell phone, but instead of putting a cell phone in there, I put a charging brick. And the reason I did that is because I want to be able to charge up my phone and things like that as I go. So on this thing I put it in upside down. I can open up the zippers and plug in my cord and then have that go up to my phone and charge it up. So this is real handy. I'm able to carry some items with me, and then I've got my USB charging brick right here to keep all my other things going. Right here's the bottle mount that I got. I decided to go with one that I can mount right here below the handlebars. And then I got this bottle just because it was black and it matched. I thought I'd like that a little bit better than any of the other bottles. So there's no particular feature for this bottle, just the color is the way I got it. But the holder I thought was very nice, very durable, and so I added this feature so I've got some water with me. The other thing I wanted to do was add an extension bar onto the handlebar, because the existing bar is very tight. There's not a lot of room to mount things. And I wanted to have my phone up here. I want to have a GoPro. I want to do several different things. So I added the mirror set here. I only did one side. That's all I need. So I've got the mirror. I've got my telephone right here. And you can see on this side how adding this bar gives you a lot more room to add things in. I've got a GoPro here, and then I also have one on my helmet that I installed. So that gives me the option of recording two different views so I can capture my rides. The helmet I decided to go with is a Bell helmet. I've got this here, and you can see I put the GoPro mount on it so that I could put my camera up there and capture footage as I do my rides. Overall, I can say I'm very happy with my XP. I ordered the ST for my wife, and that should be coming shortly. And the few upgrades that I did here really make a difference in my enjoyment of the bike. I've got the things that I want with me, and I've gone on a long ride, and the bike is great. I couldn't say anything better about the quality of this bike. Thank you for watching my quick video, and I will put links for all these items below the video. I hope you enjoyed it. See you soon.